Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Anytime I see something special, I try to share it with you. And this is exactly what it is. 2003 Toyota Tacoma pre-runner 2-wheel drive V6 obviously. And this is absolute cream puff. And as you can guess, this is one of those vehicles which are being passed on in the family. And this is the same story. It's a California truck and somebody older passed it on their new generation. When I heard the mileage and I saw it here in the parking lot, I was saying this is probably worth going into the museum. But when you start looking around, the previous owner did a little bebe to it. So maybe it will have to be fixed first. There is like a little dent here. Other than that, look at that condition. Everything is almost brand new. There is a little bit of paint fading, but look on the frame, for example. How often do you see 2003 Tacoma with a brand new frame looking? It's not brand new, but it looks brand new. Let's see how it's... Oh yeah, are you serious? This is brand new. And it was never used, it just came out of assembly line. Also, what will not help for the museum piece, the California sun destroyed these parts of the trim. It's a piece of plastic or like a plasticky paint, and that peels off. We know that, that's absolutely normal. But let's complete the walk around and then I will show you the interior and then you will see the mileage. You will probably not believe that. Again, it was used, so there are very small rock chips from the highway. But look, this wheel, I see brand new rim, I see brand new center cap. This is absolutely insane to me. You don't see stuff like this, and that's why I wanted to share it with you. This truck, the condition of it, when I start looking on the details, makes me feel that I was misusing the term cream puff in the past. This must be or maybe the best one so far. So we were right here. Everything is absolutely immaculate. It's being driven daily right now, so you see these little flies and so on, but that plastic feels brand new to me. You see, this side was not exposed to the sun every day the same way, so this trim, it's totally fine. This one starting peeling off, but this one is just like new. Beautiful logo. I can't believe how this beautiful metallic paint is holding up. Even that side step, which I will think it was factory option, I'm assuming looks brand new. The rear wheel, the same story. Here is that you can see how perfectly it's running. It's only surface rust on that tailpipe steel. There's absolutely no blackness or anything like that. It was being cleaned, so I guess a little bit of condensation got into the tail light. But here is that logo, Tacoma pre-runner. Little touch-up. The person apparently was taking care of it, and when they scratch it, they even used some touch-up paint to fix it ASAP. That's proud of the ownership, will you not say? Let's see how this works. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. As I said, how often do you see that? This might be one of the last ones which are in the shape That was another reason why I covered that license plate. Normally I don't do it for normal cars, but as a preventative measure. We are living in the weird times right now, so better do extra effort and be sorry. So welcome in the rear seats. Did you see recently brand new door panel like this? Well, it feels brand new. Look at this one. I'm using the fact it's the cloudy weather, so look at the headliner. Oh my god, I didn't even see it. This is absolute mint. You have some nice little pools here. Something is behind, maybe it's the kit for the road hazard or something. Storage only. This bag, beside that somebody scratched that there, hauling something. This bag looks brand new to me. It's absolutely unreal. Look at the carpets. This is brand new. I dig this. Well, let's go to the front and see what's happening in the cabin. Even the handles, right? Normally there will be wear. It might be going difficult. These sometimes break. We see it. This is just... Did you hear that click? Did you hear that? Nothing. No effort. Oh, the doorstop. But the doorstop also looks brand new. It just gives a little bit of noise. So that's the sticker. I believe that's a rear diff lock normally, right? And here we go. Two-wheel drive vehicle with... This is for the power. We know that you can switch the power mode. Shockingly, you can drive in economy or a little bit more power. Look at these details, guys. Really almost feeling brand new. These owners, it's my landlord, the owners of this entire building and their own shop. They will just normally drive it. They are aware that it's a special truck, but they will just keep normally driving. Look at the brake pedal. Look at it. This brake pedal rubber looks brand new, like nobody ever stepped on it. Normally you will think, oh, somebody replaced that. But not here. Even these, right? It's a rubber. It looks brand new. That looks brand new. The doorstop looks brand new. And I think we see here, it was factory anti-rust treatment for these areas. Do you see kind of that yellowish, brownish matter? I will bet you it was done by factory when it was brand new. So, classic 2003 pre-runner, that's no upgrades. Let's go and check that mileage. This is how they came with that extra clicker. This wasn't still inside of the key. But I will think this one has a chip already. I'm not sure. Right now I'm not sure. To be honest, another expert will tell us. Look at it. And now it comes. 6,500, 498 miles only. So 65,000 miles. No wonder this is not some scam. No wonder. We can see it in absolute shape. Normally these will be falling off as people keep rolling over them. This will break, start just dripping. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. No tour will be finished without looking underneath the hood. So let's go look there. I'm expecting it will be standard. I believe the owner said they didn't detail the engine, so let's go, let's see. I'm wondering how that looks like. And here we are, my friend. I will say business as usual, except again, you see, this is the real deal. This is not some joke. This is all original. These are definitely these coils with those red stickers as we know them. And I'm starting wondering, as you start wondering, I know you are, how come this valve cover is not leaking a little bit more? That rubber must be hardened. Well, I will really quickly jump on the other side where I looked very briefly without you, excuse me. I know sometimes people spill oil from here, but I see that oil on the back, on the rear fastener, on that side. So this driver side valve cover is successfully leaking. As we know, this engine is brilliant, but one of the maintenance item which keeps coming pretty often is the valve covers. Hopefully it has a twin tip spark plugs. I will assume they are original. The brake fluid was maintained. It's very slightly lightly yellow. That will be .3 brake fluid, definitely correct color. And the biggest question, purely theoretically, is here. Underneath the cover we have a timing belt which is made of rubber and fibers and so on. Did the owner change it because of the age, or it's still running the original? This I'm not sure, and we can just keep scratching our head. Toyota original alternator, absolutely clear, everything beautiful, no leaks for such a low miles, totally makes sense. Now we will find another absolute classic. Do you see how this washer fluid reservoir, that upper part is, I see even inside, the crack is so big I can see inside. So typical for these, almost all of them, I see them. You try to fill it up all the way and it starts leaking from here. Very, very typical. So I am very happy that the owner said, oh sure, share it with your subscribers. Absolutely. By the way, what did you just hear behind us? You just hear this engine. That's another V6, the same generation. The moment when it started, I'm like, oh yeah, did somebody start this engine? No, it's right behind me. So what do you say? What do you say? Let's finish here on this side. Don't you love how this is surviving? What condition it is in, and how it looks almost brand new. I totally love it. Is this sign of the micro crack in the radiator? I'm not sure. They will find out later. Hopefully not. So I hope you enjoy this little tour of this undeniable cream puff. And please make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more videos coming your way very soon. Actually, I closed that door to my shop because there is a brand new project which I purchased just for you yesterday. Last night I was here until 8:30 dealing with it, and I'm super excited to have something for you. So I will catch you in the next video. See ya.